Good morning. How's everyone doing? Oh, doing all right. Um, so we do have news today. Um, so we are going to be waiting for the news. Morning, Eddie. Going to be waiting for the news. If not for news, we'll be taking by here news. But we gotta wait for news. So and we can do but to wait for the news. Morning, Janice. Morning, Joey. See what happens with this news. We got GDP and unemployment claims. So something should happen. Where is the Zoom link? It's in the Trading Link 7 Discord. It's right here. You go to Trading Links. It's the same one. Alright, bye. The only thing stopping us from taking possible buys now, the news. That's what happened. Once we get at least 50 people in here, I'm going to explain the reason why I am looking and pretty much anticipating buys right now. So right now we got 48, 2 more people, and I'll explain why. Even though that might change with the news, but at least you will understand the reason behind the bias, even if the Not more London session. What happened? Well, I have not been streaming London session now. Has it been 3 or 4 months? I don't remember. But I don't stream London anymore. Alright, so we got 50 people in here now. So I'm gonna go ahead and explain the reason why I'm looking for buys. Right? So we could go to news. We go to the 1 hour time frame here, and you can see the bullish momentum. So all right, so we pretty much start from this low that we created at 3308.9, which is also a failure to break below the previous daily support, and then we went up, created this low. Now, when we created this low here after the failure to break the resistance at the minor high, we came down, created a low, and then we now pushed up, and now we finally have a breakout structure above the resistance that we created at 3351.5. Now we did reject the 30-minute supply, which is fine, but the rejection is just for price to pretty much pull back to a level of demand for price to continue the upside. Let's take a look here at the 5. All right, so now we are at the 5-minute time frame. So the reason behind the buys is pretty much that from this previous daily candle low here, and what we have is a bullish momentum. We create low, we break highs, create low, break highs. Okay, that is what we have. So we do not have a breakup structure to the downside. What we do have to the downside is a minor breakup structure. However, in this first range, we have our low at 3342.6 that pretty much created this high at around 3363.8. Pretty much came all the way down there, rejected, and I'm actually expecting price to continue to the upside. Now there is a chance we could go up, create a resistance, then come back down before we actually push. So we'll see what happens. Just know without the news, we'll be in buys right now. So that's pretty much the reason behind my bullish bias today. See if the news is going to change that or not. Hopefully that makes sense. It's pretty much simple. Hey Alex, how you doing? Good morning, Isaac. So we pretty much got 16 minutes left. This news.
Man,
During London session, I kind of knew that that first demand was.
I'm surprised London didn't give the setup. It's like
Right.
no volume the whole time, then just like, okay, no pullback. What the fuck?
And he just decided to reject the fine
Yeah.
in New York. Because of this lower high that we have created here, I have a feeling gold is going to do this.
Yeah, that's definitely a supply since they managed to hold so aggressively there.
But if we can come back and reject this low again to drive up.
Yeah.
I feel like the news is always messing with my set and always goes in my favor. Oh, what can we do back home? So we just gotta wait for the news.
The funny thing is, it only happens if you don't take the trade. If you take the trade, then the news will fuck you. Morning, Alex. Mhm.
We got 14 more minutes. Hey, where'd you go? How you been? Yes, Urban Trader. I'm waiting for the news. I am definitely waiting for the news.
Oh yeah, definitely. I tell Abe every day how much I miss Rodrigo. It's like, where is he?
You live in Ibiza now. Oh, okay. Really do trading. 10 more minutes. Oh wow, Janice is looking for you.
Oh, yeah. Many people choose to spell my name incorrectly. Damn. I was hoping it would consolidate near the low.
That was what I was hoping for too. Oh well. This candle without trigger those in here.
You're in a BTC sell, Bitcoin sell. Hopefully that's short term. That thing's strong as hell.
You're in long one micro at 33.45. 33.45. And you got in before the news.
45? How's that even possible? Oh, okay, yeah.
Oh,
It,
okay,
it,
right
it,
here. Okay. Sniper.
went down to 44.9. That's about as sniper as you can get.
Right, we're down to the last 5 minute candle before before the news.
The beat says gold should fall.
Don't trust buys at all. Well, the news might change it. Until then, I'm trusting buys.
I'm open to both ideas. I don't think gold is very bullish. I think it's just currently making higher highs, higher lows.
Might fall higher, but in this range, it's buys for me all day.
Is that the news? Wait, no, it's still not. Fucking A.
And then I'm looking at this.
Mhm.
Oh man, fortunately, we gotta just watch this.
Man, 2 minutes before the news. Come on.
Wow, why did you tell me that?
What the fuck? I didn't say shit.
I shouldn't have listened. Mhm. Man, we'll be swimming
Man,
we'll be swimming in profits by now.
fucking hell. That'd be 1-to-1.
Freaking news. That's what you get.
And it hasn't even come out yet. The news hasn't even come out yet.
Yep. That's crazy.
What the fuck?
Do I still want to buy? Yeah, in this range, yeah, I still want to buy. Now, if the news comes down and close below this low, okay. Then probably not. But for now, I still want to buy this.
If there wasn't news like super soon, I'd actually sell it because someone just sold 160 lots at 57.5, basically 2 pips away from the high of that candle.
This might help them out.
Yeah.
Comex push, yeah.
God. Just before the news.
Don't worry, we'll sell. This 15-minute candle is about to close.
What a fucking candle.
I'm gonna mark this 15-minute. We're going to leave this supply and leave this up there. Going to be done. Okay, we're about to close. Kind of close bullish. Back. All right.
Oh, news. Let's see. Oh, there's heaps of news. There's a bunch of orange folders as well at the same time.
There's two of them. We got two news.
Yeah, we got two red and three orange, four orange, no, three orange, all at the same time.
Hmm. Let's get about those two red ones. Now let's kind of close this.
Oh, damn it. Should have sold it with that 100 lot guy. He fucking knew. He knew.
Since this is one bearish candle, see if it's going to close below this. Whatever way this candle closes, I'm gonna need a bottom wick from the next candle. Especially if this thing closes like this with a long bottom wick. Window is a sign of rejection at the bottom. You're gonna need another bottom to kind of like, pretty much fill this bottom wick a little bit. Oh, never mind. Yeah, don't you dare drive from here. Wait for this one to close. See how this candle closes. This one. Am I still smoking? Oh yeah, of course.
What a dumb question.
It hasn't been on for a while.
Who asked that?
Joturi.
I'm messing with you.
Huh. Surprisingly, well, this is freaking news effect. Alright, go back inside.
I think it's a sell.
Go back inside, god damn it, gold. Go back inside. There you go. Keep going back in. Grab this slow and grab this slow. So you might as well grab this slow here to the left, 3342.6. Here we go, gold.
Straight back in.
Now don't flip just yet. Just close bearish. Oh, come on, man.
Oh, okay.
Okay. $80 pips stop loss. And I have in here. I have my pending order right there. 80 pips stop loss. 80 ticks stop loss. Move this up here.
Uh,
See what happens.
Oh, news is great. Could have taken the buy setup that you had for news. I could have taken the sell setup at the high when the person sold. Both would have been amazing. Going down like your favorite OF star. Jeez, I don't know any OF stars.
So even though this minor high that we created during London session, we did not break it during New York, I'm still sticking with the sales. Like this is just a fake seller.
You mean buys. You said sticking with sells.
Oh, I'm sticking with buys. I'm sticking with buys.
Even Abe's a bit confused now.
No, I'm not confused. Buyers are really trying to step in at this low.
Yeah.
As they should. Where's the VWAP? Way below the VWAP. I'm tripping.
He's like, what the fuck? It's not on my side. No, turn it off. Take it off.
Oh man. Where did I see the person taking the sell? Oh, that's wow. Order flow.
Yeah, I mentioned it earlier when it was right at the high.
When you hear order flow, don't go looking for it because it might not be for you. It's not for everyone. If you're doing good with
It's,
candlestick, then stick to it. But you can always look into it and see if it's your thing.
it's only for me and Pi.
Wait, is Pi using is it using the order flow or is it just using Delta?
Huh.
I don't know if he uses order flow. I think he only uses the Delta. I could be wrong.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Because he's always talking about Delta, but yeah, it's a
Mm-hmm.
part of it.
Yeah, it'll be like Delta this, Delta that.
Yeah.
1,000 sellers on this candle. Pi likes Delta Airlines. Man. For whatever reason, with this dark background, especially on this Project X platform, you can see my chart real good.
On YouTube?
Mm-hmm. Also, this demand has been tested a lot. Yeah, one, two, just twice. Gold can also just drop from here. Yeah, it is possible.
I hope so.
I gotta
Keep
see
dropping.
it. I gotta see it first.
I need to see it now. I need to see
Once
it
it,
right now.
once if it closes below that, then I expect it to come towards this previous daily candle low. If that happens.
Stop teasing me, gold. Break it. Thank you. Thank you. All right, I'm done, baby.
How you took it at this low here?
I took a nice little sell. Pretty good. Pretty good. What's that? 55 pips? Yeah, nice. Now watch come back inside and fill Abe and give Abe W. W's all around.
If we get triggered, we're looking at 100 ticks stop loss now. And from 80 to 100.
Well, if it fills you, then
Buyers are trying. Don't think because they're struggling here, so might keep coming down here.
I mean, if it gets to your entry, it's gonna make a new high.
Yeah, if it also 25-minute demand here. Alright, delete this. Waiting my pending order. At this point, this towards this daily demand slash 30-minute demand will be where I am looking at. If we reject this 1 hour demand here, then I'm not gonna take the buys off the rip. Just gonna have to wait for this. That's what we're gonna have to wait for till this 1 hour demand holds. Patience.
Yo, the beat's looking for buys around here. Oh, that's why it sounds so quiet. There's no music.
Oh, no music on Zoom?
Yeah, I was like, man, this seems eerily quiet.
Oh, what about now? Good now?
Okay, yep, yep. Thanks.
Just need to see a BOS at this 15-minute minus support at point. Close below on the 5. Like we do have a rejection of this 1 hour supply. Okay.
Bad luck killed the beat.
We
You should have
got
joined me on those cells.
we got 4 more minutes. I mean, I wouldn't take buys over here, right? Need to calm down lower.
Well said, well said.
You anticipated for this sales cutting beautiful sniper and alright, David.
Why is everyone saying they caught sells now when it's like all the way down here, but they didn't say when it was up there?
Well, I mean, they said they did, so I guess they did. Short sales too. Possible buys from this 30 minute. Possible. So there are previous daily candle low sitting there. So we could get some reaction from there. Two strong demand zone here. 15 and the 30 minute demand. So 15 is about to close. Yeah, we should close below. 30 close below. 1 hour should close below. The fact that over here we did not even get to the 30 minutes supply, now we have this weekend sell off. All right. Now, if we do not tap this 30 minute demand, where am I going to look for possible sell setup now? For me personally, at this point, going to be this 5 minute supply up here, pretty much where they pushed the downside started from. That would be where I will be looking for sales. So for now, I'm going to delete this. If we're going to tap this 30 minute demand, if we do reject this 30 minute demand here, we wait for this and then we take the buys. Reason being is because we are actually now, we went from, so for in this range, we went from a previous bullish momentum to a possible bearish momentum, which is also a continuation of the trend on this time frame. Higher time frame is still bullish overall. So we are going to keep looking for sales now till we pretty much react to this 30 minute demand here. All right, Janice, 80.
Oh, nice, nice. Oh, David uses Elliott Wave. Elliott Wave. I wonder if Elliot's a good trader, or did he just make Elliott wave concepts?
Who is Elliot?
I'm assuming Elliott made Elliott wave. I'm just guessing here. This thing should pull back. Such an aggressive move down,
Yeah,
straight into this low.
this is another major low right here. Pull back or a resistance. So, what we're gonna do here now, since we're pretty much at the low of this range, right, which is also a major low of this range that we're in, and you also have a major low right here as well. Uh, so if we pretty much stay rejecting right here, I'm going to need a bottom wick from this current candle. If we get a long bottom wick from this candle and we start to cross the previous one, I will take the buys. Or if we can close bearish rejecting again, I will take it. Yeah. The bottom. Well, we'll see if gold is gonna give us. I am good, go. Volatile, man. Oh, man. Good. Who's winning? You say they're doing it silent.
Yeah, poor Gideon.
What happened to Giddy?
Oh, well, if Edwin's this quiet, he's gotta be like hammering Gideon.
This might be a swing trade down to 32.47 for hour and 1 hour as strong bearish. Oh, he's here, wow.
Oh, I know he's here, but he's quiet. Man, today's been a good day. Sheesh. Oh, OM's asking how many pip stop loss? I think you're muted if you're talking.
Oh yeah, I was 120 ticks, pips. Oh well.
Don't worry, kill the beat. He ain't the first to the party. I'm already balls deep in it.
I would have taken it earlier also, but I needed to cross this before I do.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yep.
Yeah, yeah, you can because it's volatile now compared to London session. Oh, yesterday.
Yeah. Could get a pullback from this minor little buy here. And then if it pulls back, retests the low yet again, breaks, then smooth sailing to the supplies above.
Man, once I'm in this, you better just keep going up. I want no drawdown, just keep going.
Well, your entry is above the resistance, so, should be good.
Yeah, which was one of the setup I was looking for at this low here. So,
Oh, no, kill the beat. I don't mean like he gets triggered in and it pulls back. I mean it rejects here at this resistance and then pulls back and then breaks higher because of the NYSC open.
I know, right, killed a bit.
Order filled.
Did you get filled on your real account or only on this, prop firm account? Oh, you're muted.
Only on this one.
Yeah, because I'm looking at Tradeovate. It never got to your entry.
Only on this one.
Prop firms, eh?
Plus, this is MGC.
Oh, okay, right, okay.
Yeah, you know how MGC is sometimes.
Yeah.
You should probably wait until I call it Urban Trader. Can't trade gold mini on this account here. So you didn't get filled either? Oh well.
Oh no, I'm not. I'm already in this trade.
Oh yeah. Okay, this kind. US dollar can move gold further down. Oh, it's possible.
You'd think not, since it's opening down here. You'd think, like they're not just gonna instantly sell the lows.
They've done it before.
They have. I can't believe they did it. That was crazy.
Wouldn't believe it either. On trade of it though, on gold mini, just missed that the entry like it
1 pip.
thick.
Yeah. Which is why I don't really like the micros. It's like,
Yeah, micros can be tricky sometimes.
yeah. Well, as long as you're making bank, it don't matter, kill the beat. Am I right?
Yep, it does not matter.
Where will you put your stop loss for sells? What? The stop loss is on the screen.
Where will I put my stop loss for sales? I'm not looking for sales right now.
4 minutes NYSC.
On Twitter, probably they'll just leave the statement. Gonna just get in manually. That's
No.
pushing out. This is
Yeah, it's
gonna
probably
take
gonna
us.
pull back.
This is gonna take us to NYSC now. And we'll see what
Yeah.
they're gonna do.
Let's see. So it's filled up. There's still a little bit of a gap below, but filled up the major one. Oh, damn. Damn. That gap is at my break even. I'm fucked.
You secured, didn't you?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, it's gonna get it.
This major low of this range, what's going to happen?
Man, Kill the Beat's ruthless. He says hopefully takes out this low. Then he can get in. Sheesh. He told me I was heartless. Oof.
Whatever happens, I'm still gonna, cause I've not taken anything on account. I'm still gonna look for a setup.
NYSC's open.
Yep, it just opened. Even if I'm not in yet on this account, entry will pretty much be the same. Or maybe a little bit higher. Like around here somewhere.
No, don't do it. Ah. Just get it already, you bastard. You know you want it.
I know this current candle has no bottom wick.
Yeah.
New 30, new 15, new 5.
Ah, I'm out, bastard.
Okay.
Oh shit. Hmm.
If this old on my account, I'm just gonna get, no, never mind. I was gonna say I'm just gonna get in here. But never mind. Oh. Oh.
Holy shit. This fell off, eh?
Mm-hmm. It's looking like they
Order
do
filled.
want to bring this down lower.
Damn.
And I freaking ghost slipped. Activated before it got to entry, and I got slipped.
God damn.
Okay. I'm gonna look for a setup. I'm probably not gonna take any more trades on this account. So I'm gonna look for a new setup here for my account. So taking a loss on this. So we're just gonna use this for analysis here. Or I might take a small position. We'll see, depending on how confident I am with whatever I see now. So. Okay.
Ah, it's heading back to that lower area. Jesus. This thing should come down even deeper.
Man, if it breaks and close below this daily candle low, man. Yeah, I'ma just wait for the freaking sales. Well, you should buy from around here. Hmm.
I would think
Well,
more where Abe has the demand drawn up. I think it wants like to get deeper in there.
usually the hold good once it gets to a major low at least. If you're not careful, if you're looking for a big push, you probably might lose that trade, but at least it would give you that 50% retracement between the lows and the highs. But lately, it's not even been doing that. It's just gonna freaking continue selling. Even if it's the major low of the range, it's still gonna keep selling. Hmm. Oh, Kiddo Beat is probably saying it's going to go back up from here because of this 30-minute demand, which I don't like. I'd prefer the 15. Let's see what happens. Yeah, we do. I guess you can just write this possible gap fill here. If gold gives that to you. Yesterday liquidity is cleared my retreat from here before dumping. No FOMO.
Man, so New York sold it straight off again.
Yep. Since that this demand here did not hold and we're still trying to fall, depending on how this freaking candle closes here. Want to see how this 15-minute candle is going to close, if it's going to close below or not. Yeah, all right, David. If we keep pushing up from here, I'm just gonna wait until we pretty much close above this 15-minute supply at this point. What happened to music? This 15-minute candle is pretty much pulling back in here. The 15-minute candle closes in 1 minute. Yeah, so the 15-minute candle is going to close rejecting. Two things can happen here. We could either break and close above this 5-minute minor resistance / 5-minute supply now, or we could actually tap it here on the 5, tap this supply, and then continue to the downside. So we'll see what happens here.
Yeah, it was a good rejection area. I was assuming it was gonna go down deeper to the POC, but yeah, did not.
Yes, it rejected the previous day low. So looking at this on the 15, there's still a chance we could come down, fill this week, this 15-minute candle bottom week, and continue to the downside. However, we could also break it because you have this failure to close right here. Now, a lot of traders will call this liquidity grab, but to me, when you're looking at liquidity grab to the buy side, then that candle needs to be a bearish candle, in my opinion, because that's how you know you got that rejection price close, rejecting the previous low. That is why I'm really not seeing this as a liquidity grab just yet, until we actually close above this. And looking at this, it should actually close above at this point.
Yeah, it looks strong
Okay,
as
there
hell.
you go. And it has to close above it strongly. Don't want to see any type of rejection at this freaking 5 minutes supply here. If I see any type of rejection at this 5 minutes supply, I'm selling. I should probably go use the rest now. Damn it. Volatile. Hey, good morning.
Morning.
Yeah. Man, I gotta freaking use the restroom so bad right now. But I'm gonna have to wait. I'm gonna have to. Hmm. So I have this line above 3339.1. Trying to see how the 15, the 30 is going to close above that.
King, what will be the SL for this?
Hundred.
Order filled.
Yep. Bit of it. All right. Okay. Well, here we go. What the hell? No. You don't have to use 100. Why did I say no? 100 is too big. This says 100. Huh. Well, I'ma just use 80. I'm gonna use 80 here. And if it's gonna let me sell one more. And 5. So 80. Yeah, I probably won't be able to sell one. Looking at 45. 45. 3. 12. That. Oh, delete this one.
Order filled.
Alright, so I'm gonna move stops to break even here. Congratulations if you took this one and you missed the first one. Good for you. Yes, Rodrigo, I did. This if we freaking hold this 5-minute demand, I'm gonna be surprised. We should come down and fill this wick right here. We should come lower than that, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. If we should break this high for any reason at all at 3341.7, then this should continue up. EU will finally give you money where to first test it. We cut that sell. EU. Oh, you're speaking to the people ones that trade Forex. Damn freaking MGC triggered me on that first.
Yeah, that was messed up. It actually got a couple of people. Got Edwin and I think it was Owen.
Yeah. Yeah, Pi. Yes, we are. You just joined? I'm really expecting this come down and grab this bottom wick. Oh,
Damn, it looks terrible. Like huge wick to the bottom and the top.
yeah, this initial bullish push, it was nothing but a fake out. It's not a liquidity grab. But there are traders out there who still think this candle is a liquidity grab, but it's not. Just in my opinion. I could be wrong. Don't listen to me. Good morning, Francisco.
Well, whatever it is, you made your money.
I know, right? Well, if we end up breaking this high, then I was wrong. Even though I made something, I was wrong because if I didn't move the stop loss, then it breaks this high, then I will lose money. Once I break even, why is it not a liquidity grab? So now this is just my opinion. I could be wrong. Now for me, when I'm looking at liquidity grabs and I'm looking at the liquidity grab to the buy side, then I'm gonna need that candle to close bearish, either bearish or doji, pretty much with a long bottom wick like this, because I'm looking at it to the buy side. And if I'm looking at it to the sell side, then I'm gonna need that candle to close bearish with a long top wick, rejecting the previous high. That is why. And also, if you look at this range, this is where the move started from, 3308. And this is a minor low, minor low, minor low, minor low. Yeah, it is a previous daily candle low, so that makes it a 50-50% chance of this continue. It makes it a 50-50% chance for price to continue to push up from here. However, if it was a liquidity grab below this major low here that pretty much created the highs where the initial push started from, then I will consider that a liquidity grab if the candle closed bearish. So that is what I look for when it comes to liquidity grab setups. That candidate rejected. If I'm looking at it to the buy side, then it needs to close bearish. See if this thing is gonna take a B out or if it's gonna continue to fall. $15 looks so freaking ugly right now.
Yeah, I hate it when the market does that. Once you get wicks everywhere, it's terrible price action.
Yeah. And now it didn't even come back to the 5-minute demand because that's the only demand you have right now. This 5 right here. Oh, what a difficult market. You didn't take any trades today. Okay. There's nothing wrong with that, especially when you're not sure.
Yep, I agree. 99.99% that there's a demand down there. Is someone bought it?
Well, then let me take a screenshot. So,
Oh, I've never used it, but you know, there's a screenshot button on this this Top Step kind of platform thing.
oh wait, there is? Where is it?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, oh, take a snapshot. Oh, not a screenshot. Because if you download the image on this platform, it's not gonna show up this entry, stop loss and stuff. It's not gonna show it.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, that's why I just did the screenshot thing. Dude, what are you gonna do? You gonna come down or you gonna take out break even? It's actually going to continue to fall. I'm hoping it doesn't freaking get back to the 5 minutes so far. And
Oh man, there's a 5 down there and up there.
Yep. When you have a crazy engulfing candle like this, you just expect it to continue in that direction, but nope. We feel this gap to the left, and then we freaking grab the highs, minor highs. Now we don't want to do it to the downside.
Order filled.
What the? Oh. You see that? It stopped me up before it got there.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Huh.
Okay. Trying to trap more buyers before dropping. I won't be surprised if it decides to continue to. Okay, it didn't tap the 5. Honestly, if you ask me, I'm gonna be very, very careful with buys. But you guys can do whatever you want. Am I gonna re-enter? Oh nah, I'm good. Tomorrow is another day. Nah, I'm not re-entering.
You're on your own, YouTube.
Yeah, tomorrow is another day. Look at that. Now he wants to freaking tank.
What the fuck?
Yeah, YouTube. I'll be very, very careful with buys here. If you're looking to take buys, I would recommend you wait for this high, pretty much this 5-minute supply to get taken out, and we're gonna need to close strongly above it. If we close strongly above it, you get a demand and wait for that demand setup, and then you're good to go. Aside from that, I will keep looking for sales here if I were you. I just feel like gold is going to pretty much keep faking out buyers. And this daily support here, I'm not even sure that it's even going to hold. It might just freaking keep tanking. We might actually close bearish today. Just looking at all these freaking bottom wicks we have here on the daily, it's insane. It's not a smooth price action at all. So I will be careful with buys. Careful with buys. Oh. Man, really? All right.
I can't believe it didn't tap.
It didn't tap.
It tapped your break even though.
Yeah.
That's what it wanted.
Uh-huh. But it didn't tap the 5 minutes. So crazy. All right, YouTube, I appreciate you all. Grab yourself a top 1 account if you're interested and join the free Discord. We go again tomorrow, and hopefully we close out tomorrow and the week with a bang. I'll see you guys then. I'm out. God bless. Peace. Awesome. See what happens during London session tomorrow. Hopefully we catch a setup.
Yeah. Thanks, Abe.
You're welcome, guys. See you guys then. you.